Completing the verification puzzle, Enter the Characters You See by Microsoft is really easy to do. Now how you do it is you want to just type in the characters that you see right here. Now they're not supposed to look like much because it's trying to verify that you are not a robot. So how you do this is if you want to try to make out the first character from left to the top left to the top right and then so on down the line. You have to enter them in order, and if you cannot read these for some reason, you can click on the new option right here and it will give you new characters. As you can see, these characters are much easier to read, and you can do this as many times as you want to if you cannot for some reason pass this verification test. And if you cannot do the verification, you can actually even do the audio here. As you can see, it will say press 1 to play or repeat the audio, and you want to make sure your sound's on for this so that you can actually hear it.
Magnet.
$7.
Iron. Noon.
And as you can see, it has just said in a few words, which you can actually type in any of these words right here. I heard dollar, I heard eagle, and if you just want to type that in, just any one of the words, you click next, all lowercase. It should allow you to pass this test.